plate spinning trick. If you've already learned the two tricks earlier, this is a combination of both. It's called the finger jump. So, again, whatever your method of spinning your plate, you must make sure that your plate spins as fast as you can possibly get it. What we're aiming for is to start this trick, we're learning the finger spin. So the first trick that we learn, remember it's the finger you pick your nose with, sliding your stick up. This time, instead of putting it back on, we're going to hold the stick at the side and we're going to go a little jump. Oh, you've got to make sure that that's spinning nice and fast though. I'll do it one more time for you. Okay, so here we go. A nice, fast spin. We get this plate onto the finger, we put the stick at the side, and then we're just going to jump it across. Hey presto, the finger jump. You have mastered your plates. Well done.